Do you want to go swimming without getting your hair wet and still look fabulous? Well then ditch your swimming cap, it's outdated and are definitely not stylish, and get yourself a swig. What is a swig, you may ask? The swig is a new type of wig that works as a beautiful wig and a swimming cap. It allows you to go to the pool, beach, or wherever and enjoy water activities without getting your hair wet, and all the while still look good. Oh yes, you can dive, swim underwater, and even enjoy water park rides. On the outside, it's a wig, and inside, it offers the protection of a swimming cap. It's lightweight, breathable, and can be worn all day, even under a hot sunny day. The swig doesn't just stop at swimming activities. You can use it for any other activities where you want to protect your hair. For example, a fun paintball game, a foam party, or even a mud race. You can now participate without the hair stress. We are all unique, and that's why the swig comes in different styles like straight, wavy, or curly. It also comes in different colors, like blonde, brunette, red, and many more. The swig needs little maintenance and can be used many times. The swigs have been put to the test and have been very successful.